cat he's called the hidden paw, for he's the master criminal who can defy the law. He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity's not there. Macavity's a ginger cat, he's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he's a fiend and feel like shake, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when the crime's discovered, then Macavity's not there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, I might mention Mungo Jerry, Rumple Teaser, Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls the operations, the Napoleon of crime. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's a fiend in feel and shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when the crime's discovered, then Macavity's not there.